Now I will build it. First, an airport car. Now the air traffic control. They tell the planes to take off or land. It's going to be tall. Making the top now. It's done. The window is big. Last pieces. The satellites. Looks cool. Now I will make the forklift. I like forklifts. Things up. Some stickers. Let me look.
Together like we're rocks in a wall, growing stronger every day, even more. Stand together in the eye of the storm and
that's the wheels on.
show the whole world who we are. Oh, keep on walking to the sound of the drums. Feel the
Looks good.
fire run through our lungs. Find our treasure in the light of the sun and show the whole world who we are. Oh,
This is what goes up and down. And the roof opens. Now I will make the cargo to carry. It's for the forklift. Look, it can lift many things. Looking good. Sorting out the Lego. Now I will build the luggage truck. luggage into the airplane. It's very cool. I like putting on the stickers. Look, it moves up and down. This is how they go up. Now I will build the plane. It's gonna be a big plane. Okay, let's start with the main part.
Stand together like we're rocks in a
Look, it's so long.
wall, growing stronger every day, even more. Stand together in the eye of the storm and show the whole world who we are. Oh, keep on walking to the sound of the drums. Feel the fire run through our lungs. Find our treasure
Making the back of the plane.
in the light of the sun and show the whole world who we are.
Now the wings. Putting the engines on. I need to go check something. Okay, going fast now. The tail or back of the plane. Yeah, it's starting to. To look like a plane. Making the seating area. Yeah, more stickers to look good. That's the top part. Yeah, more of the top of the plane. The last parts of the big plane. Put the engines on.